Managing expense claims and invoices is a productivity killer. But with Workspace Studio and Gemini, you can build a system to automate this process of identifying these files automatically while you sleep. So today, I'm going to show you how to create this 9-step automation that takes an invoice straight from your inbox and puts it into your records. Here is our roadmap. We'll start with a Gmail trigger, use Gemini to filter the right emails, organize our inbox, save our files, and then finally extract the data into a spreadsheet, and then notify us in Google Chat. Let's build it. Okay, so I'm on Workspace Studio. You can get here by going to studio.workspace.google.com or selecting the Workspace Studio icon in Gmail or Drive. And once you get here, you can create a new flow, a new automation, either by describing it to Gemini, selecting one of the ready-made templates. But today, I'm going to create this manually and walk you through it step by step. So let's go and select the plus icon to make a new flow. Step 1 is our starter. We'll select when I get an email in Gmail. This ensures that the automation listens to your inbox in real time. We can trigger this for all emails or specific emails, looking for a particular from address, including particular words, and various other filters here. But for this automation, I'm going to select all emails. But saying that, we don't want every email to trigger this. So in step 2, we're going to use the decide option. And then all we need to do is replace this prompt with our own prompt. So this is going to ask Gemini to check whether this email contains an expense claim, travel claim, or an invoice with an attachment. And then further down here, we're using several variables to find the sender address, the email subject, and email body. But I also want to include a couple of others. So let's also add attachment, and then go down to variables, select the email from the previous step, and provide the email attachment file name. And then in step 3, we add a logic check. If Gemini decides true, then the automation continues. If not, then it stops right here. And then in steps 4 and 5, I want to keep our inbox clean and organized. So first of all, let's ask Workspace Studio to give this email a label. And then I also want Workspace Studio to archive this message as well. This way, these emails won't clutter up our primary inbox. Next, in step 6, we want to save the actual document to our Google Drive. So we can do this if we scroll down here and select the option, Add Email Attachments to Drive. We can then choose a folder. So I'm going to select the Expense Claims folder. And then we need to select the variable for Gmail attachment. So let's get that from step 1 and select Email Attachments for our variable. And this is going to work with PDFs, JPEGs, and other file types. Now for the heavy lifting in step 7, we're going to use the Extract AI skill. And this is going to enable us to get the specific data we need from the file. So first of all, let's get the link to the file from step 6. This enables us to get the content in that file. And then we can specify some variables. So first we need to specify the variable name. So we want to get the company from the invoice, and then we give Gemini a description of what we're looking for that variable. So now let's add the rest. So now we are going to collect the company name, the product which is purchased, and the total cost. Keeping it pretty simple today, but we could have a lot more variables here. And now in step 8, we want to map these pieces of info into a new row on our expense tracking Google Sheet. So we don't have to type in these numbers manually. So on the right hand side, if we scroll down, we have some sheets options here, and we want to add a new row. From here we can select our spreadsheet. So let's choose our expense claims sheet and insert this one. And we're going to add a new row after the last row. And then we just need to match up the variables we've already created. So first of all, we need to get the user. We can get this from step 1 in the email. And we need to use the sender email address. Then we can use the company from step 7 and select company. And then also add the other variables we created in step 7. So let's add the product and the amount. And to make it easy to find these receipts or invoices, I'm going to also include a link from step 6. And then finally, in step 9, we're going to send a Google chat message to ourselves to let us know that a new expense claim has been received, and we can drop some variables into here as well. So let's go ahead and select the sender display name. And there are different ways we could take this further. So for instance, we could make it automatically check our policy around what are appropriate expense claims. And if there was an inappropriate one, we could automatically flag that in our chat message as well using Gemini. But let's keep it pretty straightforward today. So I've just sent myself a test email message with an invoice attached, and you can see it's automatically categorized this message. If I click down onto my Google Chat notifications, I can see I've been alerted about a new expense claim down here. And then in Google Sheets, I've got a new row in my spreadsheet with all of the information we're extracting from that file and a link to the receipt as well. And just like that, you've turned a manual chore into an automated background process. You can test this by sending yourself an email and hitting the test button in Workspace Studio to try it out and check all those steps are working. But I hope you found this useful. If you've got more ideas about how you'd like to use Workspace Studio, then please do share those in the comments. And if you found this video useful, then please do like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.